Hi, hello guys. I had a YouTube channel, but I broke my phone, so we're not going to be seeing that for a while. If you already know me, check out my channel, Wendy Davis. Kid holding a white and orange sniper, black scope. My name's Diego Davis, by the way, and today I'm going to be flying a Sky Rover. I think it's X3M. Got it on my birthday, 10th one. Let's give it a minute to rev up. So how are you guys doing today? Please leave a comment below, like, and if you can, subscribe, make it subscribe. Just a second, gotta check this. Keep it rolling like that. Okay, so my grandma here, she's gonna be moving around the camera following my drone. But if you just want to see it over there, you can. But oh, I turned it off, sorry. So it'll be flying over there. Then it'll go over there. So I'm
take it out?
No, really pro at this. Oh crap, bird poop. I have a wasp nest in my thing. Grandma, don't touch it. Sorry guys,
Oh, there. Okay, I got it.
And then you can move like that, and you can go left.
Oh, okay,
right.
go ahead.
Sorry guys, I gotta show my grandma how to do this. So yep. Let me see. There you go, and let's fly! Guys, give it away.
I can't see it.
Oh, crap.
Uh-oh.
Okay.
Hold on. Hold on.
Man down!
Oh.
Woo! Bump it. Okay. Okay. Oh. Sorry guys, sometimes my controller breaks, get sticky, and yeah. Oh crap, I stepped in near the maggots. Oh dear God. Okay, so let's see, I'm gonna start here. I'm gonna hit that tree, that tree, that tree, hit that tree, come back to that tree, and then back here to me. Let's go. That tree, that tree, that tree. Coming down, and down. Oh, well, that tree, and back there, and back to me. And as you see, I have landed. Not done yet though. I'm not done yet though. And so, just let me check out. I gotta see something. I think my grandma shut off the camera. Grandma, move.